Okay, question number 5. In question number 5, they are giving us three coordinates. In question number 5, they are giving us three coordinates. What are the coordinates? Coordinate is 2 comma 9. My first coordinate is given to me as 2 comma 9. My second coordinate B is given to me as 9 comma 7, and C is given to me as 2 comma 0. Okay, my first coordinate is given to me 2 comma 9, B is 9 comma 7, and C is 2 comma 0. These are the thing right now given to me. Now in A part they are saying find equation of perpendicular bisector of AB. Find equation of perpendicular bisector of AB. So first thing, when I have to find the equation of perpendicular bisector between these two, what will I do? Midpoint of AB. Okay, midpoint of AB. So how will I find the midpoint of AB? So x1 plus x2, 2 plus 9, 2 plus 9 over 2, 9 plus 7 over 2. Okay, so that will become 11 over 2, and 9 plus 7 will be 16 over 2. 16 over 2 will be 8. That's my first one. Okay, after that I have to find gradient of AB. So gradient of AB will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Y2 9 minus 7 over x2 2 minus 9. Okay, so when I will simplify it, so 9 minus 7 will be 2, and 2 minus 9 will be minus 7. Okay, now gradient of perpendicular bisector. So negative reciprocal, so this will become 7 over 2, and minus of minus will become plus. So gradient of perpendicular bisector is coming 7 over 2. So now for equation y equals to mx plus c, okay, y is given to me as 8, m is given to me as 11 over 2, or I can write it as 5.5 comma 8. Okay, same thing, I can write it like this also. So m is given to me as 7 upon 2, which can be written as 3.5. So 7 over 2 into x is 11 over 2 plus c. Okay, or you can write the same thing by using decimal also. Answer will be same. Okay, so 8 equals to 77 over 2, 77 over 4 plus c. That's the thing coming right now. 77 over 4. I have simplified it. Now simplifying it further. Okay, so when I will shift it over here, this will become 8 minus 77 over 4 equals to c. Don't shift 4 directly over here, because if you want to shift something directly on the other side as multiplication, so first of all it should be denominator of all terms, only then I can shift it. Okay, before that you can't do any shifting, so be careful about it. Okay, so simplifying it, 4 8 is 32 minus 77 over 4 equals to c. So minus 45 over 4 equals to c. That's the value coming. Okay. Now, if someone want, okay, first of all, I'm getting the equation from here. So I've got the value of this. I have got the value of m. Okay. So y equals to mx plus c. Y equals to m is 7 over 2x minus 45 over 4. That can be your final answer. Okay, but for instance, someone wants to know, sir, I want to solve things with decimal. Okay, same thing I am doing again, but now I am going to take values as decimal. Okay, so y equals to mx plus c. Y equals to m will be 3.5. X is going to be 11 over 2. That will be 5.5 plus c. Value of y will be 8. So when I will simplify these two, 3.5 into 5.5, the result will be 19.25 plus C. Shifting it over here, 8 minus 19.25 plus C, simplifying it further, so minus 11.25 equals to C. Okay, so now I have got this, I have got the coordinate M value, so y equals to mx plus C, so y equals to ms 3.5x minus 11.25. That is the value when you are writing it in decimal form. It's the same thing. 7 over 2, 3.5, 45 over 4, 11.25. Okay. And if you want to simplify it further, this equation, how will you simplify this equation? Y equals to 7 over 2x minus 45 over 4. Okay, so first of all, taking LCM, y equals to 14x minus 45 over 4. I have taken LCM over here. Shifting 4 over here, 4y equals to 14x minus 45. This is your answer of. So you can write answer like this, or like this. All three of these are your values for uh, equation of perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay. Now, B part. Equation of perpendicular bisector of BC. Now I have to find the perpendicular bisector of these two. Okay. So again, starting with midpoint of BC. So midpoint x1 plus x2 divided by 2. 9 plus 2 over 2. Y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So 7 plus 0 over 2. So this will become 11 over 2 comma 7 over 2, which means 11 over 2 will be 5.5 and 7 over 2 will be 3.5. Okay, I've written values in both ways. Your choice how you want to use it. Now, equation of perpendicular bisector, next thing what I need is gradient of AB, gradient of BC. So gradient of BC will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. y2, 7 minus 0 I can take, 7 minus 0 over x2 minus x1, 9 minus 2. So gradient of BC will be 7 minus 0 will be 7, 9 minus 2 will be 7, which means it's coming 1. 7 over 7 will be 1. And gradient of perpendicular bisector, so this is 1, negative reciprocal will be 1 over 1 and it's plus, so negative of plus will be minus, which can be written like minus 1. Okay, so I've got this, I have got midpoint value, now I have to find the equation. So y equals to mx plus c. What are the coordinates coming? 7 over 2 equals to minus 1. X is coming 11 over 2 plus c. Okay, simplifying it further. 7 over 2 equals to minus 11 over 2 plus c. Minus 11 over 2 will be shifted over here. 7 over 2 plus 11 over 2 equals to c. 7 plus 11 will be 18 over 2 and 18 over 2, the result will become c equals to 9. So I've got the coordinate of c as 9 and I've got the m of perpendicular as minus 1. So y equals to mx plus c. Okay, so y equals to, what is m? Minus x plus 9, and that is the gradient equation of BC. Okay, that is the gradient equation of BC. Now in C part they are saying that find the intersection point of two perpendicular bisector. We have found the perpendicular bisector of AB. We have found the perpendicular bisector of BC. Now they are saying find the intersection point of two perpendicular bisector AB and BC. Okay, pause this video and try to find those coordinates. So now we have got the equation. Okay, so 4y equals to 14x minus 45. That was the perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay, and then I have got y equals to minus x plus 9. That was the equation of perpendicular bisector of BC. And they have said that these two perpendicular bisectors are intersecting. We have to find their intersection point. Okay, so for finding intersection point, I have told you guys that we are always going to use simultaneous equation. Okay, working with simultaneous equation, solution of simultaneous equation. Okay, so how we are going to do it? Y equals to minus x plus 9 is given. I can shift it over here. In place of this y, I'm going to put this one. So 4, instead of writing y, I'm going to put this minus x plus 9 equals to 14x minus 45. Okay. So minus 4x plus 36 equals to 14x minus 45. Right? After this, what we are going to do, we are going to simplify it to get the value of x, and then we will solve our. So shifting this over here and minus 45 over here, so 45 plus 36 equals to 14x plus 4x. Okay, so 45 45 plus 36, your answer will be 81, right? Your answer will be 81 equals to 18x. Shifting it, 81 over 18 equals to x. 9 9s are 81, 9 2s are 18. The value of x is coming 9 over 2. Taking this value and plotting it over here or over here, it's your choice. So I'm plotting it over here. Y equals to minus x is 9 over 2 plus 9. Okay, x is 9 over 2 plus 9. So when I will simplify it, y equals to minus 9 over 2 plus 9, taking LCM, y equals to minus 9 plus 18 over 2. I have taken LCM. So y equals to 9 over 2. Okay, after simplifying, y is coming 9 over 2. So it means the intersection point is 9 over 2 comma 9 over 2 or 4.5 comma 4.5. That's your intersection point for two perpendicular bisector.